Hi, good afternoon, Yusek. Well, the Philippines and the United States are eyeing a November signing of the PAC Silica Framework Agreement according to the BCDA. However, there's an ongoing online discussion on who stands to benefit actually from this initiative. You have critics saying, lawmakers and civil society groups warning that this could deepen the country's involvement in the US-China strategic rivalry, could expose the Philippines into security threats, foreign control of critical minerals, environmental impacts, and possible displacement of communities. Maybe how does Malacanang ensure that there will be safeguards in the framework agreement to protect the country's interest and transparency is guaranteed in every step of the way?
Alam naman natin na ang Pangulo patungkol sa ating karapatan, sa ating interes sa West Philippine Sea, ang relasyon sa China, ito ay dinadaan sa diplomatikong pamamaraan. Walang anumang ginawa ang Pangulo at ang administrasyon na ito para mag-provoke ng war. So, kung meron man tayong pinag-uusapan tungkol sa pagpasok nito ng PAC Silica, ito po ay para sa atin at para sa mga kababayan natin. At sinisigurado po ang Pangulo na lahat ng po na gagawin ay naaayon sa batas at hindi po maaaring makasira ito ng ating environment o maka-displace man ng ating mga kababayan ng walang anumang kapalit. So, minabuti po natin na alamin dahil nakita po natin to at nagba-viral sa SOCMED ang issue patungkol sa tubig. Kaya inalam po mismo natin mula sa Executive Director Bill Sevilla ng NWRB. Ito po ang kanyang mensahe para po mawala po yung agam-agam ng ating mga kababayan. We would like to confirm that the available water sources within the project area are sufficient to meet the total water demand of the proposed project without adversely affecting the local water supply. The project is being planned and developed with the clear commitment that the water needs of surrounding communities will remain the foremost priority and will not be compromised at any stage of implementation or operation. All planning and development activities are being undertaken in close coordination with the Bases Conversion and Development Authority. In addition, the National Water Resources Board and the Department of Environment and Natural Resources are working collaboratively to oversee and monitor water resource allocation. The coordinated approach helps ensure that water utilization remains sustainable, environmentally responsible, and aligned with broader national development objectives while safeguarding reliable water access for host and neighboring communities. At pati na po ang DNR ay nagbigay na rin sila ng kanilang mensahe dahil i-maintain nila at i-mitigate nila or rather magkakaroon po ng pag-aaral patungkol po sa environmental impact nito. So, sisiguraduhin nila na mayroong environmental impact statement and environmental management plan. At magkakaroon din po ng regulasyon sa pamamagitan po ng Environmental Management Bureau, multi-partite monitoring teams ay gagawin po regularly. At magkakaroon din po at wini-welcome nila ang innovation pero ito po ay dapat na sumasang-ayon sa istriktong environmental standards from mining to manufacturing. So yan po ang sinisiguro ng ating pamahalaan.
And just to make sure na yung issue rin po ng foreign control and foreign influence, talaga pong pangahawakan ng Pilipinas na nasa atin pa rin yung control over this project.
Sinabi naman din po ng Pangulo noon na we will not surrender even a square inch of our territory to any foreign power. So sa lahat naman po ito, hindi lang sa isang bansa, sa lahat po ito.
Follow-up question, Allen Limos, The Manila Times.
Hello po. Just to follow up on the Pax Silica issue po, reports on the ground indicate din po na there are farmers po that are being asked na madi-displace daw po sila because of the Pax Silica issue. Ano pong measures natin regarding that po?
Alam po natin na ang puso ng Pangulo ay nasa mga magsasaka. Yan din po ang inuuna niya, ang mga magsasaka, dahil una-una para sa food security. Kung meron man na madi-displace ng mga farmers, sisiguraduhin po ng gobyerno na hindi po sila mawawalan ng kanilang pagkakakitaan kung yan po ang mangyayari. Pero sa ngayon po ay wala pa pong nakikita pong ganyan.